We are entering in a new era of change, one in which the energy transition will drive economic transformation. This change is bringing unprecedented new opportunities that can revitalize economies and lift people out of poverty. Energy transition are today's decision-making and with real impact on every lives. Looking ahead, we know that there will be challenges. Some of them we can anticipate, others we cannot. But so long as we remain on the path of innovation, collaboration, and determination, we can reach a renewable-based energy future that will underpin a sustainable and more equitable world.